Itchy scalp and dry scalp are one of the causes of dandruff and some scalp infestations like scaling of scalp and tap, also a breakage and whatnot. So in this video, I'll be showing you one of the ways you can prevent such from happening. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you enjoy the video. Welcome back, guys. So for this video we have practically only one ingredient, which is aloe vera. Now these aloe veras, I got them from my plant. Yes, I have aloe vera plants in the house, and if you are a hair growth enthusiast, I reckon you get one for yourself so that you don't need to go to the market and buy aloe vera whenever you need them. Supposing you might need it anytime, any day, you can actually get it from your plant. So guys, aloe vera is very good for the hair because it strengthens your hair. Now, for me to say that it strengthens your hair is because aloe vera contains ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids, and it is also rich in vitamin A, B12, vitamin C, and also vitamin E. And now these vitamins all play a huge part in healthy hair follicles. And what is it to strengthen your hair if not a healthy hair follicles? Also, it helps in dry and itchy scalp because aloe vera helps in dandruff and scaling of scalp because of the moisture it gives. Now, think of aloe vera, think of moisture. Aloe vera is something that you can actually use when you want to moisturize your hair. It also helps in hair growth because of the alanine compound, which is a primary factor in promoting hair growth. So first off, you get your aloe vera and extract the gel from it. When you extract the gel from it, you go on ahead to blend it. Blend it in such a way that it will be as subtle as no lumps. It wouldn't have any lumps anymore. Go ahead to transfer it into a spray bottle. When you transfer it to a spray bottle, I went on ahead to add oil. To it. This is my ayurvedic oil that I already have in the house. You can add any oil of your choice, be it carrier oil, be it your homemade oil. Just the oil is there to seal in moisture. Alright, that is the essence of adding oil to it. And then after adding oil, I went ahead to add some water, a little bit water. Close it up and give it a very good shake in order to help it mix together. Here it is, and that is what I'm going to go ahead to spray on the whole of my hair. Remember, when putting on things on your hair, you tend to work them in sections so that you can be able to reach every part of your hair. So guys, I'm having a wash day, so clearly I'm in the bathroom and I just finished shampooing my hair. And after shampooing my hair, I am going to use this mixture, this aloe vera mixture, to condition my hair. Now, after spraying it on, after passing out some hair, this is how I'm going. I went ahead to apply it to my hair, pat out some hair, work on the hair that I patted out with it, go ahead and comb it gradually. Remember, when you are combing, you comb from the tip of your hair. Don't go straight up to the roots and start combing. It might break your hair. It's not that it will break off your hair. So go ahead and work your hair. Concentrate on your scalp when you're applying it. Remember, this is to avoid dry scalp, itchy scalp, and scaling of scalp. Also to aid us in our hair growth. Now, this is how I've gone ahead to, after combing, I went ahead to twist, make a big twist of it. And this is what I did to the whole of my hair. Aloe vera is a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It repairs dead skin cells on your scalp. It contains proteolytic enzymes that also helps in your dry scalp. It has chemical makeup that is similar to that of keratin, which is one of the primary sources of hair growth. So aloe vera, in essence, what I'm trying to let you understand is that aloe vera should be involved in your hair growth regimen because it has so many qualities that aids in our hair growth. So guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Support your girl. That is the only way you can support me, by hitting that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. All you get from it is notification whenever I upload a new video. Now after this, I went on ahead to cover it with a plastic bag. You can use your shower cap, you can use anything plastic to cover it. And after like an hour later, I did a mini rinse off, because I didn't lose the twist, so that's why I call it a mini rinse off. I just, as it is, I stood under the shower to just do a mini rinse off of it, and then I to apply my hair oil. So guys, like I said earlier, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to try this out. You can also tell me what you think about the video. Bye guys, I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.